I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to create text type effect or text writer effect. Grab your paper or something that you like to add in the background. I like to add this paper, and now you have to right click new item, blank video. Okay, grab blank video, drag it onto the on top of the first layer. And then here, what we have to do now to add text, click on text, go to that video and move this black on top, add text, type something here, move here something, the type text under the black video, ensure it's under black video. Now here we have to grab this effect from effects, this linear wipe, add this to the text, go to black video, uncheck uniform scale, and just do this. We have to resize this way. All right. So make sure is resized this way, what I'm doing right now. Hold Control if you want to resize smoothly. And now let's move this around here. Now what we have to do next is to, I would like to position this here. So if you want to position, if you click on your text, you can position from here. But anyways, that's something you can do as well. And now select your text and go to, now just ensure you add linear wipe to your text, and then here you should see wipe angle. So just click here or add here 0, I believe is, and then we add a keyframe here. After we move a couple of frames ahead, we can write here, we can type here. Now ensure that right after the video starts, here in transition completion, here you add 0, and then you also don't forget to add a keyframe, moves a couple of frames, and then here you click on this button, and now you type 100. And now we have this, and here you have to change the wipe angle to 280, around that, and now is like this. Or if you go just change the angle to 70. Let's try this. Okay. All right, so just remember now we have to keyframe this one. So here we have the position and scale. All right, just so you know, because now we have to work with position. So make sure you add a keyframe here, and right when you want this text finishes, we just have to move this right around here. And now we have another keyframe, and this is what we have. So if it's too fast, you can, as you can see here, we can also move this a little bit here. You just have to play with the keyframes. Now it looks good. Now what you have to do is just select both keyframes, and I like sometimes to play with these keyframes and add some if it's needed, but you can try and use this special linear if you want this. You can go to now the text, and you can highlight, expand this, and see all the keyframes we created. All right, and here we can highlight all of them, all the keyframes, right click and use something more like this. But sometimes this can can just cause more problems, but just so you know that you can do this. And just remember now, what you have to do is just to keyframe, just to click on your blank video effects, and here you just have to keyframe this. So basically you just go at the end of the text right before it finish, and then you just keyframe. So you move this, if it's here, you move it here.